So I have a question for you. How often are you pushing back projects, changing the due dates, the scope, the processes? If your answer is often, then you need to learn how to successfully lead a project. Unfortunately, this can be pretty difficult. To manage your project effectively, you need an overall strategy, strong time management skills, and of course, flexibility. These are three qualities that every project manager should have in spades. Let's take a look at 6 steps needed to bring a project from start to finish. Number 1, define the project and its scope. Before you can begin to execute a project, you need to create a list of everything that needs to be completed. This document is your overall scope of work. Number 2, delegate tasks. Before delegating tasks, it's essential to first put together your team. You can then assign accountabilities to whoever is going to be accountable to those tasks. You can also assign the responsibilities for those people that will be taking those responsibilities to the finish line. This way, you will have more control over the progress of your project. 3, stay organized. Managing a project with multiple people requires the use of several strategies to stay organized. For example, OKRs or KPIs are a simple way to keep track of each member's progress on a project. Number 4, ensure milestones are actually met. Review the KPIs or OKRs and the data that backs those up to ensure no one is behind. Then, if needed, move around your milestones. And most projects won't go 100% according to plan. They usually don't. So it's important to be able to be flexible when that does happen. Number 5 is to provide help and guidance to whoever needs it. Every team will have different issues and struggles that need to be addressed and overcome. A strong project manager should help to identify issues and address ways to improve everyone's workflow. Number 6, have post-mortem meetings. This one, a lot of people fail. When the project is complete, have a final meeting to review what went right and what didn't. Also, don't forget about the celebration. Always celebrate the completion of any said project. How do you keep your projects organized? Are you using Scrum, Agile leadership, some type of promotional plan, or a project plan? Do you have it all on your calendar? Have you had a massive to-do list and you're just using a piece of paper and scratching it out? Or something else? Let us know down in the comments below, and we would love to hear your comments. And also, that really shares it with the rest of the community. That way we all can get involved and really help each other grow. That's what this whole network promise is all about. And also, don't forget to smash that like button. We really do appreciate you coming in today and watching what we have to offer. This is our way of giving back to the community. If you could be so kind, leave a comment down below. If you got something out of this, what did you get? In addition to that, you can like it. We really do appreciate that, and that helps with the algorithm as well with any platform that we're on. Also, you can hit the share button. If you're on your mobile app, you can share and send a text to someone and say, hey, this might be a good takeaway for you. Maybe it's someone on your team. Or maybe you can just share it on your desktop or on your phone and just post it on your regular page. We do appreciate all of this, really do appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me. After you follow me, there's a little bell up in the right-hand corner on my profile. Go ahead and click that. That way you'll be notified instantly whenever we have some new content. Thank you very much and have a blessed week.